What's going on, guys? Today's November 21st, and it's officially been a month and a half since we started our van conversion project. And today we're going to be finishing our upper cabinet, starting a bottom cabinet, and possibly starting our heater, which I'm really excited about. But first, we got to head over to Home Depot to pick up a couple things, so I'll check back in with you when we get there. Alright, so $110 later. I feel like Home Depot should sponsor me because I spend so much freaking money here. But yeah, now let's head over to the warehouse and get these things installed. So this is my little workshop, guys. I pay $1,000 a month for it. It's nothing crazy, but this is where all the magic happens. So this is the cabinet we're going to be finishing today. I posted a video on how I built it yesterday on TikTok, and it's supposed to match this cabinet. We already got this one all nice and built out, and we put our battery monitor and our inverter switch inside of here. And I have to pull it back down because I forgot to install our heater switch that's going to go there as well. And I'm also going to be hanging up all of our remotes, like to our max air fan and to our air conditioner, inside of here as well, like this, just to keep all the electronic things inside of this cabinet above the fridge. And let me know what you guys think in the comments about the color. We love the color, but we obviously already finished this side of the cabinets. I did a lot of these down here. Everything's built from scratch, so it's taking a lot longer than I thought it would take, but it's coming out really nice. And then back here we already have all of our battery system, and I'm just waiting for another fan to come in because I want to put another fan there. We have one over there, but we want to have two to have as much ventilation as possible. And then on this side we have our water system, and this is going to turn into a bench and a bed. You guys have probably seen them before. And then our stove is going to go here. Our stove, oven, yeah, stove. It's going to go here, and then that's going to be a countertop there, and then our sink there. And here is going to be a small cabinet that I'm going to make, and then our toilet system is going to go here, and then that seat turns into a bed, which you guys have already seen in previous videos. And then we did a swivel seat for the passenger, and we also finished them in really nice diamond stitch vinyl, which I'm really happy about, and they came out really nice. But yeah, let's get to work. Alright, so I just finished painting the cabinet faces. Now let's go with some lunch while they dry. Alright, I got myself some fries, and I also got a Crunchwrap Supreme because I love Crunchwrap Supremes. So let's eat it. Not a bad little lunch. Now let's get back to work. So I was on my way to the warehouse, and then Hope called me to pick her up. So now I'm gonna go pick her up so she can help me work, because I mean, who doesn't love to work with their wife? Hello.
Hi.
What you got there?
RV lab.
What? Oh my God. We finally got this. Guys, we've been waiting for a while for these. OMG. Do you guys know what these are? What are these, babe?
Beep. I don't know. What are they called?
She said beep.
latches.
These are some of the most amazing latches ever that we're going to be installing on our cabinet. Shout out to this freaking brand right here. Cool. All right, so we just got back to the warehouse. Cabinet faces are nice and dry. Now we're going to go ahead and install them. Hey, what are you doing?
Putting on my little bumpers.
What?
My bumpers.
Oh, bumpers. All right, guys, so we finally finished up with all the upper cabinets. That's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Damn, this is a lot of cabinets to close. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.